So I've got tattoo numbing cream on my face right now. It's like 5%, and I've been letting it sit here. 5% lidocaine, you can get it on Amazon. I've been letting it sit on here for like 20 minutes. And I'm just pre-numbing before I do my broad TCA peel. Now I'm gonna wash it off my face. This is water and TCA. Let me shake it up. I'm just gonna put it in here. I'm gonna apply it on my face. My face is numb, it's clean. It's completely free of debris and dirt. I'm not frosting, that might not be strong enough. We'll give it a second, we'll see. So the way I see it, oh, it's burning. Yeah. Okay. The numbing cream helps. This is the first time I'm using the numbing cream. I'm getting under my eyes really good, but I'm not going to get it in my eyes because that would be really bad. But I'm getting around my eyes to get those little wrinkles. This is how you stay young. My mentality when it comes to this is you've probably seen the videos where they use phenol peels for acne scars and like they're all gone in one peel because it's so deep, and it takes like a week for the, it's like 2 weeks of downtime, and they have this mask on their face, but it works so effectively. Wow, that's frosting quick. This is only 20, this might even be 10%. I would try 10% if I were you doing this the first time. This stuff is so incredibly strong. I'm gonna let it frost up. Oh. Yeah, it's burning good. With this way, these small peels, it's like the layers of an onion. That's the way I look at it. And I've only done like 3 of these, maybe 3 or 4. I can't remember. In the last 6 months. Just doing one side at a time. If this gets too intense, I'll just rinse it off. Yeah, that's frosting really good. See that frosting? That's skin dying. Alright, I'm gonna keep applying it. Maybe I'll rinse it off this side. It looks a little uneven. I can feel my pulse in my face right now. I always get scared and rinse it off. Oh, my washcloth just went. Here it is. I don't know if it makes a difference to rinse it off or not, but I'm gonna try. Oh, damn, that burns. I hit it with some water and it quit burning. So I'm just gonna leave it and do the other side. I hate doing it around my eye, but that's where we get all of our wrinkles. And that's one thing I'm targeting. Acne scars and wrinkles. Oh! Boy, that's burning fast. Wow. Little voiceover editorial here. So I don't think I'm really getting good even distribution this way. Next time, I'm going to take a paper towel and I'm going to soak it completely in the acid. I'm going to wear some gloves and I'm going to press the paper towel over my face. I don't want to be too fast with this brush either because I could flick it into my eyeball. And that is so incredibly dangerous. Ooh, ooh. This side frosting good. Hypothetically speaking, using the paper towel would also help eliminate some of the risk to flicking the acid in my eyes. So I'm definitely going to try that. And the more you layer TCA, the more you go over TCA, the stronger it is. Yeah, baby. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. I won't be peeling tomorrow, but the whiteness will go away tomorrow. Probably. It might be a little red, but yeah, the whiteness will go away and my skin will be really dead and wrinkly looking. See that frosting action? Wet washcloth. Make sure it's not burning a hole to China. So I figure I'll just keep taking layers off until I get down to smooth skin because I have, oh, ow. I have a texture problem. That's really what I have. I forget what they call it. The type of acne scars I have, but it's more of a broad texture problem. I'm gonna wash this just in case it's still burning. Every time I'm afraid I went too far, but I never go too far. Let's hope I didn't this time. Oh, wow, that hurts. And honestly, I think these are one of the best methods for texture. Because you're literally removing a whole substantial layer of skin. Strong stuff. So I'll check in tomorrow. This is the immediate frosting effect though, right here. This whole layer of skin's dead. Ooh, what's going on there? It's weird looking. All right, we'll see you in the morning. I'll put some moisturizer on tonight. And other than that, I'm gonna leave it alone. So it's the next day. I did the chemical peel last night, and here is my face. See those wrinkles? See them all? This is all dead skin. And it looks a lot worse in real life, actually. But I don't have all these wrinkles. And it's just like so dry and dead, and there's like a loose layer over top. See all of them? It's crazy looking. So I just hide out in my garage for a few days. It'll start peeling probably tomorrow or the following day. And then things start looking really crazy. So I just work on my bikes in my garage for like 3 or 4 days in a row. Try to hide out. I always end up having to go out in public. But yeah, check in tomorrow. This is day 2. I just woke up. Look at how wrinkly that is. That feels weird too. Hopefully it peels off soon. Still day 2. I'm hiding in my garage like a recluse from the outside world right now. I just painted this motorcycle tank though. Isn't that pretty? For my R6. Came out good. I made that color myself. I have another channel. It's called Crazy DIY Guy. If you want to check it out, you'll see me if you search it. I look like I'm 65 years old. Oh, that's so crazy looking. What's up, ladies and gents? It is day 4 now, and everything, it seems, has peeled off completely on both sides. I have some redness here from where I went kind of deep. Stuff seems a little smoother. I'm happy overall. Definitely happy. Like I said, you know, before, if I imagine it's like the layers of an onion, and the more I get off, The more peels I do, the smoother it'll get, along with the micro needling, the retinol, the TCA cross, the DIY TCA cross, all these methods and stuff like that. You know, it's only going to make it better. It's not like it's not going to do anything. So stay tuned. I'll be uploading more in the next treatment I do, whether it's micro needling or not, or another peel. I try to do one of these peels every month at least, you know, if I get a few days off from work and I don't have to go out in public much. But my downtime is about 4 days, and that's washing my face. Some people don't wash their face, they just let it hang off, so it's a lot longer for them. But I found that kind of expediting it and washing my face, you know, makes things a lot faster, and I don't really get any bad effects or scarring from that. So good luck in your battle with your acne scars or your wrinkles or whatever you're working on. You know, just constant self-improvement. Keep working on yourself and it'll pay off eventually. Until the next one, you stay frosty. Be impeccable with your word. Don't take anything personally.